Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share files between Windows and Android using LocalSend step by step. LocalSend makes it easy to transfer photos, videos, documents, and other files directly between your devices without using cables, cloud storage, or creating an account. So let's get started. First, install LocalSend on both your Windows computer and your Android phone. Once the installation is complete, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and open the LocalSend app on each device. After a few seconds, they should automatically discover each other. Next, if you're sending files from Windows to Android, click the Send option on your computer and choose the files you want to share. Then select your Android phone from the list of nearby devices. If you're sending files from Android to Windows, open LocalSend on your phone, tap Send, select your files, and choose your Windows PC as the destination. On the receiving device, you'll see a notification asking you to accept the transfer. Review the file details and tap or click Accept to begin receiving the files. Since the transfer happens over your local Wi-Fi network, your files stay private and don't pass through any cloud service. After the transfer finishes, open the destination folder on your Windows PC or Android phone to confirm that the files were received successfully. If your devices don't appear, make sure they're connected to the same network and that LocalSend has permission to access the local network through your firewall or device settings. And that's it. You now know how to share files between Windows and Android using LocalSend quickly, securely, and without any cables. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next